Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How y'all doing today? I am loving life feeling. I am a full-time reseller on different platforms. I wanted, before we jump into an unboxing here really quick, just to spend a moment. I was chatting with a very dear friend of mine. We chit-chat on text back and forth. We're both resellers, and we're talking about how you can literally have such great sales one week in the beginning of the year, and next thing you know, things just tank. We all know this happens, especially this time of year. And it was so funny because I was so excited because I had such great sales in January, and I didn't know why, because typically January sales for me are absolutely horrible. I had a great month last month. In fact, my month last month was better than my fall months from like September through to December. Last month was better than those months. And now going into this month, for some reason, my sales have tanked again. The reason of me saying this is I just want to encourage all of us. You guys, even though sales are fluctuating right now, some months we have great weeks. And some days we don't have great, days or weekends or whatever the case is. No matter where you sell, I think it's so important for us to remember that when these seasons happen, and they happen as resellers. These seasons that are slow, where we get sales, one week we have great sales, the next week they tank, then you have a great month. You know how it goes. It's just fluctuating. The most important thing is consistency, guys. And I'm going to say this again. The most important thing is consistency. This is the time of year, I think, where it's easy for us to be like, don't be consistent in sales. It's January. It's the beginning of the year. Things are gonna be slow. Let's just kind of wait to like be consistent with posting, with sourcing, with photographing, cleaning. Any of the aspects of reselling that you do in your particular business model is easy in these months, beginning in the year, to just kind of get lackadaisical, because if you had a really busy Christmas season or something like that, maybe you're a little bit tired, maybe you're kind of burnt out. It is really easy as resellers to get burnt out being resellers. Let's just be really honest. I know for me, I've been kind of burnt out lately. My husband and I actually took last weekend off from doing a lot of business. It was our anniversary. And we ate out Friday. Saturday, we just really kind of chilled Saturday. We went out to dinner Saturday night. We went and did some kind of fun sourcing, just really casual. Just the two of us, because we both enjoy sourcing. And we didn't end up finding anything because it's just the way it is with our thrift stores out here where we live. And then we went out to a nice dinner, came home and just crashed. Sunday, we went to church and just relaxed, because we just had a nice relaxing weekend for our anniversary, and it felt really good to just be together and not be thinking about business, school, or anything like that. It was nice. But you know what, guys, even regardless of weekends like that, when you just kind of take a chill, right, it's easy to get burnt out. It really is. As resellers, especially if you have an outgoing personality, it's a quiet, it can get very lonely. I know there are days when I can get really kind of lonely, and my husband always encourages me to put music on or play a show. Once I know that my stuff is done, where I have to focus, I want to be like in it and doing it. Once I get past that part in my day, I do put shows on. I put something on in the background because my house is just way too quiet, especially after a hustle and bustle of raising 6 kids. My body, my ears, my personality, I'm used to being around people. I'm used to the noise, the hustle and bustle. And so being a reseller is a very different quiet for me. It's too quiet. My house is too quiet. So I do that. I challenge and encourage you, if you're going through kind of a slow season right now with reselling, to make sure that you're waking up and staying consistent in your daily tasks. Whether it's sourcing, I don't know how you source, it's listings, make sure you're doing, for me, it's a minimum of 5 listings a day. Sometimes I do more, but I minimally list 5 listings a day. And the reason why I say sometimes it's more is because right now I am listing jewelry. My jewelry does not get posted on eBay, but I'm also doing scheduled listings on eBay again. So I have a certain number of listings that I'm doing right now to accommodate for that. Whether you're cleaning your product or whatever it is in your reselling that you do consistently on a daily basis, let's make sure that we're doing those consistency things on a daily basis, so that when things do kick up, you guys, we're already in a rhythm. We've already got things going. We know what we're doing. We're already kicking butt. That way, when things start picking up, guys, we are ready to charge the hill and get things going. I hope this helps you guys. I look forward to putting out more content with you guys. Now let's dive into this super great unboxing. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to be with you guys today and to share another great unboxing. I've really been enjoying getting these boxes, you guys. I'm super appreciative. So appreciative to Untamed Thread for doing these boxes, you guys. Before she did these boxes, she was sourcing for me at the bins. And then the idea came to put boxes out for other people, which was such a great thing for her. And those of you who've been buying from her, I know she has shared with me that more of her boxes are being sold. So I'm so happy for her, guys. This is such a great opportunity for her, for you guys to get good quality clothes at a really reasonable price, shipped right to your door. So thank you for those of you who've been buying from her. I know she really appreciates it. I really appreciate these boxes, guys, because they're great quality items, good brands, and the COG is so low. And so super excited to share this next box with you. So stay tuned to see what this box is. Okay, you guys, for those of you who have not purchased from her yet, again, she is Untamed Thread is her company. I will always link her information below in these videos. We're doing unboxings. This one is men's, and I have really been steering towards a lot more men's pieces because I do sell a lot of great women's pieces, but men's pieces also sell very well for me. I've been selling some of them in my lives and whatnot, and they just sell well for me on all my platforms. Between Poshmark, Mercari, and eBay, men's pieces sell for me. So I'm super excited to open this and see. I think this one came with some more men's jeans. I'm trying to get away from women's jeans. And I am doing women's clothes, but I'm being more particular about women's clothes. I don't know about y'all, and this is not just to like be negative. I'm just stating a fact for me in my reselling business. I have found that women's clothing has been more challenging for me to sell because even though I put in my description measurements and pics, and I put the measurements, specific measurements in the pics, people will come back and say that the item didn't fit them, even though all the information is there. They'll buy something from a platform, and then they will come back saying, this item didn't fit, even though all of the information about that item and how it fits is in all the pictures and the description. I don't typically have that problem with men's pieces. Men just know what fits for them, and it just, yeah, I don't typically have returns for men's items because they just don't return their items. They know what they're looking for. They look at the information. And anywho, okay, so we're going to move on and unbox this great men's box. Tell me in the comments below if you guys have run into this too. Issues with people buying items on different platforms, and it doesn't matter the platform. Now, I will say on Mercari, I don't think I've ever gotten one return on Mercari. If I have, it's maybe been one. In the almost 3 years that I've been reselling, I've gotten one maybe. Poshmark and eBay, again, most of the returns that I get are women's pieces. Men do not typically return items. I have had a couple returns of men's items, but the majority of it is women's clothes if I get returns. Okay, let's dive into this. I know I just said that, sorry. Okay, this is Cizani. I think that's how you say it. Cizani. And this is a really nice red button-down shirt. So perfect for this time of year, you guys. A beautiful red plaid. I love this red plaid colorway. Hopefully you guys can see that. So there's that piece. I'm just going to put these right over here. And then, as always, we'll do a count at the end. Okay, Eidsod, 32 by 30. I do sell men's dress pants. I don't know what it is, but men's dress pants do sell for me, especially on eBay. eBay, and I also sell them on Poshmark sometimes. Men's dress pants. These are really nice, 32 by 30. Probably because they're so darn expensive in the regular stores. They check them out on other platforms. Okay, Natural Issue. These are gray shorts. Perfect for this time of year, guys. I've already been selling shorts I've already been selling skirts. Believe it or not, I've actually sold a couple skirts lately, which is not normal for me. I don't typically sell skirts well. I'm just going to kind of turn this around a little bit for y'all so you can kind of see a little bit better as I'm rotating with the box. I'm sorry, guys. I'm downstairs in my dining room. I hope my lighting is okay in here. I don't have a ring light or anything in here. It's just still been a little bit chilly to be doing this upstairs, so I'm just doing it downstairs in my beautiful dining room. Guys, I know my walls don't look perfect. We are in the process of restoring an 1897 full Victorian home. So some of the rooms still need to be worked on. So if you see rawness in walls and different things like that, that's why. We're still working on our house. Okay, Calvin Klein extra large. This is a slim fit. This is a really nice blue, black plaid button-down shirt. Really nice piece. Again, extra large. Always sells really well for me. Next is Magasconi, size large. This is a really nice knit 3/4 sleeve sweater. I will be getting these listed like in the next couple days. I'm finishing up some women's items, so I'm going to be working on these next. Super excited about that. Chaps, these are brand new with tags, guys. Chaps, brand new with tags. Brand new with tags, and these are cargo shorts. These have the zip pockets right here. Cargo shorts, which is amazing. Okay, what else do we have in here? I do believe I have some jeans in here too. Okay, this one is very crisp. It does not have a tag, but this is definitely very, if it's not new, it is not new with tags, but you can tell it's new. It's never been worn. Okay, this is Jose Banks. 1632, a nice blue-white plaid shirt. Again, hopefully you can see that okay in the picture. So yeah, really nice piece. Polo Ralph Lauren, Lowell Sport, 100% cotton, size large. And this is a nice blue plaid. It's got some yellows and some whites. Nice shirt. All these will be listed on all 3 platforms. Okay, original use, size large. This is a men's floral, kind of like a paisley print. I'm kind of wondering what's the... Okay, yeah, this one's 100% rayon. It felt a little bit different. So 100% rayon on this one. So really nice piece. I do, guys, if it's wool, rayon, or something like that, that goes in my title. 100% rayon will go in the title. All right, these are Duluth. These are ballroom double flex jeans. So in my title, I will put Duluth and then ballroom double flex jeans. And these are kind of cool. They have like a pen pocket here or something. Those are kind of cool. Straight leg. Really nice pair of jeans. Got some sweaters here. Ooh, this one feels like it's wool. It is 100% wool J. Crew, guys. 100% wool cable knit J. Crew sweater. What a beautiful piece. Dark gray. Beautiful piece. I love that. Okay, LL Bean size medium. A nice... already coming up, guys, in spring and summer, people are going to be looking for polo shirts. Definitely a very nice piece, nice gray color, excellent condition. Now, as I'm going through here, when I'm doing my photos, I do double check for any issues. And like I mentioned before, guys, if there are any issues, within hours, she gets back to me and takes care of the situation. Absolutely fantastic customer service. Sometimes things do slip through, guys. It happens. But the nice thing about this is I don't have to wait hours or days to hopefully hear back from a company. Then them say, well, there's a 10-15% flaw rate. If there's a flaw rate here, she corrects it. And it's just, she has just the best customer service. Untamed Thread, I just so appreciate you and your customer service. Calvin Klein, Italian merino wool, double extra large. Beautiful blue sweater. Absolutely love this. Again, these will all be listed this week, especially since we are nearing the end of winter. I do still have sweaters listed all year round. Okay, this is OP, size large, 36 to 38. These are swim trunks. These do have an adjustable waist with the elastic waistband. These are camo and they're cargo and they're lined. All that will be in the information. All that will be in the information for them. Okay, last piece is GH Bass and Company. These are straight, size 32 by 34. Yes, all that will be in my title. These are straight leg. Very nice pair of jeans. We're going to go ahead and do our count really quick. And there